Yes, sir.
Thank y'all very much for 500. This to you guys. Cheers. Y'all are the best. Alright, I'm off work and I am starving. So let's make a sandwich that would make Scooby and Shaggy jealous. Let's get it. Tasty. Alright, so we got our glaze pre-made for the bread. Gonna throw that in the oven for, it says 8 to 10 minutes. Let that just get nice and crispy on the outside, warm and everything. And then we're gonna assemble our sandwich. Let's get started. Hey Google, set a timer for 8 minutes.
Alright, 8 minutes. Starting now.
While that's cooking, let's toke up, baby. I forgot my lighter. Cheers, everybody. Bread's ready. Oh, she's hot. Alright, just because I want to, I'm going to glaze it a little bit more, throw it back in there for like a minute longer, and then it's going to be ready for the final touches. Dude, I wish you could smell this. As soon as I opened up the oven, those herbs were blazing in my face, baby. I could eat the bread alone right now. I'm so hungry. But we gotta do some more cooking. Got the oven preheated at 400. Gotta throw these spicy chicken patties in there for like 20 minutes almost. And then we can put together the sandwich. I'm ready. You ready, Lily? I think she's ready. You ready, Lily? I think she's ready. I'll see y'all in a second. While we're waiting on the chicken to cook, we're gonna shred our gouda. That way we can put on the sandwich and get it nice and melty on top. Because I didn't know this, but gouda is one of the cheeses you don't want to cut. You want to shred it and then put it on there, and that's gonna get it nice and melty. So let's get into it. Dude, this smells amazing. I'm honestly not sure if you're supposed to cut the shell off or not, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it just to be on the safe side. But let me know in the comments below if you're supposed to cut the shell off or if you eat the shell. I'm curious. The chicken cutlets just buzzed. They are looking nice. It's the sauce time, baby. This is my sauce chef. You're normally the main chef, but she's the sauce chef.
You meant to make that a pun, right?
Yeah.
You know what the term actually is, right?
No. I know sous chef. I know
Oh, okay. Okay, it's just, I don't know, punny.
Give me a second, I need to get my story. Alright, now all that's left is assembly, toast, and then that salad, whatever we want to call it, goes on last. But we gotta toast it up, get all the cheese nice and melty, and we have ourselves a sandwich that Scooby and Shaggy would definitely be jealous of. I'm excited. Let's do this. Yeah. While that's toasting in the oven, let's hit a blinker. Cheers, everybody. Ooh. Alright, I can't wait. I gotta dig into this thing now. I gotta know how it tastes. It looks too good. Oh my god. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Huh.
Oh my god.
It's cheesy and crispy.
The gouda pulls through so good over everything else.
It's like you cycle through everything.
Mm-hmm.
Thank y'all so much for helping this man get to 500 subs. He's over the moon and it is awesome to see.
My whole life, I've never been a sandwich guy really. I don't know what it is. I've just never really been cared for like a ham sandwich. Like the thought of just eating a ham sandwich for lunch was like off-putting. I'm a sandwich guy now. TikTok has changed me. Seeing the Italians make these like fantastic. That's what inspired this video. Have you ever scrolled through a TikTok when you're high as hell and you see those guys slam that bread down and all the flour falls off and they go with that aggressive cut? Bro, that shit looks delightful. So I had to imitate it a little bit with the ghost way, and I say this turned out phenomenal.
And the spicy chicken is like just so you.
What is a true stoner's meal without a stoner dessert to finish it off? So, I got some Reese's Pieces chocolate chip cookies. They turned out phenomenal looking. But before we get into that, let's take a big old hit This thing's almost out of batteries, but I think we got a couple blinkers in there, so cheers everybody. Y'all already saw the review of the Mellow Fellow cart. That thing is super good. Instant head rush on it, especially on the blinkers. I'm like, zooted. Bro. But yeah, man, that sandwich was phenomenal. I've got another video coming soon, but I've got a little bit of an issue. I don't want to spoil it, but I've got a little bit of an issue with the video. One of the things in the video broke, so I gotta redo it. With that being said, that's why I'm coming out with this video. I thought it'd be a nice little hold me over until I can get out with this video. It should be out within the end of the week. I just gotta get a couple more products to actually finish the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. It helps out the channel tremendously. Also, I post videos twice a week, bare minimum, so if you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button too. You'll be notified every time I post a video. YouTube does a pretty crappy job of letting you know when I'm live, just because I get age restricted all the time. So, with that being said, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you very much for watching today's video. This has been Ghost. I'll see y'all in the next chapter.